Every night, millions of seniors close their eyes, unaware that their vision is slowly fading, not because of age alone, but because their eyes are starving for the very nutrients that keep them alive. Blurry mornings, dry, burning eyes, struggling to read under the lamp, or that nervous feeling when driving after sunset. These are not just random signs of getting older. They are your eyes quietly calling for help. What if I told you that while you sleep, your body already holds the power to repair your vision, but only if you give it the right fuel before bed? Recent studies now confirm that certain natural foods, when eaten at night, can trigger a process called retinal regeneration, where your eye cells actively rebuild themselves during deep sleep. And the most fascinating part, many of these foods are sitting right inside your kitchen right now. Make sure to watch until the end, because the number one food on this list is backed by clinical research showing it can reverse vision loss by over 50% in seniors. You absolutely don't want to miss it. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your vision been lately? I'd love to know. You're watching Senior Vital Health, where we bring research-based natural solutions designed to help you see clearer, feel stronger, and live longer, one smart habit at a time. Number 8, sweet potatoes, the night vision booster. Let's begin our countdown with one of the most overlooked yet powerful foods for your eyes, the humble sweet potato. Most people think of it as a holiday side dish, but what's truly hidden inside this orange root is one of nature's richest sources of beta-carotene, the raw material your body converts into vitamin A, the key nutrient that supports night vision and helps your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. Here's what makes this remarkable. About 2 hours after you eat a sweet potato, your liver begins transforming its beta-carotene into active vitamin A, which then travels through your bloodstream and concentrates in your retina, the part of your eye responsible for capturing light. During REM sleep, blood flow to the eyes increases by nearly 40%. And this is when the vitamin A does its real work, rebuilding the light-sensitive cells that help you see clearly in low light conditions. In a study from the University of Wisconsin, seniors who ate sweet potatoes 4 times a week showed a 32% improvement in night vision and fewer complaints of glare and dry eyes. That's because vitamin A restores a critical protein called rhodopsin, which your eyes need to adjust quickly between bright and dim light. To get the most benefit, bake or steam 1 medium sweet potato with the skin on for about 35 to 40 minutes at 3075. The skin holds unique antioxidants that protect your optic nerve from damage. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter. That small addition increases absorption by nearly 400%. Since beta-carotene is fat-soluble and needs healthy fats to activate, eat it about 90 minutes before bedtime, and you'll give your body time to digest and deliver those nutrients to your eyes before your deepest sleep cycle begins. And here's a tip. Never microwave your sweet potatoes, because doing so can destroy over half of these delicate compounds. So the next time you want a snack before bed, skip the cookies and reach for a baked sweet potato instead. Your eyes will thank you for it every morning. Number 7, wild-caught salmon. The Omega Repair Shield. If you often wake up with dry, tired eyes or feel that burning sensation after reading, your eyes may be lacking the very oils that keep them hydrated. That's where wild-caught salmon comes in. One of the most powerful foods for restoring eye moisture and repairing damage at the cellular level. Wild salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, which makes up nearly 60% of the fatty acids in your retina. These omega-3s are not just nutrients. They're the building blocks your eyes use every single night to repair photoreceptor cells, the tiny light sensors that allow you to see detail and color. But what makes salmon truly special is its pink pigment. Zeaxanthin, a rare antioxidant that acts like a shield against blue light damage from screens and sunlight. This compound is so potent that it can cross the blood-retinal barrier, directly protecting your macula from oxidative stress while you sleep. A large study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked more than 800 seniors for 2 years and found that those who ate wild salmon twice per week had a 68% lower risk of advanced macular degeneration. Even more impressively, those who ate it in the evening saw measurable improvements in tear production and a reduction in dry eye symptoms. To maximize its vision restoring power, always choose wild-caught salmon, not farmed. Wild salmon contains up to 5 times more astaxanthin and 40% more omega-3s. Prepare a small 4-ounce portion, lightly seasoned with turmeric and black pepper to enhance anti-inflammatory effects, and bake it gently at 325 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes. Pairing it with a bit of quinoa or brown rice keeps your blood sugar stable overnight, preventing inflammation spikes that can harm the tiny vessels behind your eyes. Avoid Atlantic or farm-raised salmon altogether. Most are treated with synthetic dyes and lack the nutrient density your eyes truly need. A simple plate of wild salmon in the evening may help your eyes feel less dry, more focused, and visibly brighter by morning. Number 6, goji berries, the red fruit that rebuilds your macula. Next, let's talk about a tiny fruit with ancient roots and modern science to back it up. Goji berries. For thousands of years, these small red berries have been prized in traditional Chinese medicine for strengthening the eyes and improving long-term vision. But today, researchers finally understand why they work so well. And the secret lies in a nutrient called zeaxanthin. Carnitine is a powerful carotenoid that accumulates in the macula, the central part of your retina, responsible for sharp, detailed vision. This nutrient acts as a built-in filter, blocking harmful blue light and shielding your eyes from oxidative stress. And here's what's truly remarkable. Goji berries contain up to 15 times more zeaxanthin than any other known food on Earth. That means even a small handful can make a big difference. A clinical study from the Beijing Institute of Ophthalmology followed 150 adults over 90 days. The group who consumed a small serving of goji berries daily increased their macular pigment density by 26%. And most participants reported clearer night vision and less eye fatigue. Even more interesting, those who ate the berries in the evening saw 40% stronger results because your body absorbs these compounds more efficiently before sleep. To prepare them correctly, soak 1 ounce of organic goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes. This simple step softens the tough skin, allowing more of the zeaxanthin to be released. You can then eat them on their own or mix them into a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt. The healthy fats in yogurt boost absorption by up to 200%. Avoid combining goji berries with coffee or green tea, as the tannins can block your body from using their nutrients. And if you're taking blood thinners or diabetes medication, start with a smaller serving and always consult your doctor. Goji berries are potent, and a little goes a long way. Think of these berries as a nightly repair crew for your macula, working silently while you rest to rebuild and strengthen the part of your eye responsible for clear, focused vision. Number 5, organic egg yolks, nature's most bioavailable eye nutrient. Now this next one might surprise you. Organic egg yolks. For years, many people avoided eggs because of cholesterol concerns. But science has completely changed that view. In reality, the yolk of an organic pasture-raised egg is one of the richest and most absorbable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, the 2 key nutrients your eyes depend on to stay sharp and protected from age-related damage. What makes egg yolks so special is that their nutrients come already bound to healthy fats and phospholipids. These natural carriers act like delivery vehicles, transporting lutein and zeaxanthin directly to your macula, even crossing the blood-retinal barrier during sleep. That's why these nutrients from eggs are up to 5 times more bioavailable than those found in plant sources. A clinical study from Tufts University followed 2,000 older adults for 12 weeks and found that participants who ate just 2 organic egg yolks daily increased their macular pigment density by 38% and improved their contrast sensitivity, their ability to distinguish fine details, by 42%. The same study also found a 50% reduction in glare sensitivity, which means less discomfort from bright lights at night or during driving. To get these benefits, choose organic pasture-raised eggs from hens that eat their natural diet of insects and greens. These eggs contain up to 10 times more omega-3s and 15 times more vitamin A than conventional eggs. The best way to prepare them is as a soft scramble, cooked over medium-low heat for no more than 3 minutes in a teaspoon of grass-fed butter or ghee. This gentle cooking preserves the lutein molecules that are easily destroyed at high temperatures. Avoid frying or overcooking the yolks. Doing so can eliminate up to 70% of their eye-protecting compounds. For a simple bedtime snack, 2 softly scrambled yolks with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt can nourish your eyes overnight, helping them rebuild from the strain and stress of the day. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please give it a quick like. It really helps more seniors discover these natural health tips. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more videos just like this. By the way, how's your vision been lately? Let us know in the comments. We always love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can also click the Super Thanks button below to send a small token of appreciation. Every bit helps us keep sharing these free health guides for seniors like you. Number 4, bilberries, the forgotten berry that enhances night vision. Now let's move to a fruit that once helped fighter pilots see better in the dark. Bilberries? During World War II, British pilots reportedly ate these dark purple berries before nighttime missions because they noticed their night vision improved. Modern science later confirmed why bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, special compounds that protect and regenerate the cells in your retina that help you see clearly in dim light. These anthocyanins, particularly delphinidine and cyanidine, strengthen the small blood vessels in your eyes, reduce inflammation, and even improve how light signals travel from your retina to your brain. In other words, they don't just protect your vision, they enhance how well your eyes and brain communicate, especially at night. A study published in the European Journal of Ophthalmology followed 400 older adults with early-stage macular degeneration. Those who took bilberry extract before bed had a 73% slower progression of vision loss and reported sharper night vision and less eye fatigue. Even more remarkable, nearly a third said they could read again without as much strain or reliance on glasses. To get similar results, consume 1/4 cup of fresh bilberries or 1 capsule of bilberry extract, standardized to 1 in 60 milligrams of anthocyanins about 2 hours before bed. Choose organic raw berries when possible. Cooking destroys up to 40% of the beneficial compounds. If you're using frozen bilberries, thaw them fully and drink the juice that melts off. That liquid contains concentrated anthocyanins that shouldn't go to waste. For an extra boost, combine bilberries with a tablespoon of raw walnuts. The omega-3s in walnuts enhance anthocyanin absorption and improve circulation to the retina by up to 200%. Avoid eating bilberries at the same time as citrus fruits or taking vitamin C supplements, as ascorbic acid can neutralize some of their healing compounds before they reach your eyes. Bilberries are like nature's night vision goggles. Small, sweet, and incredibly powerful for seniors who struggle to see clearly after sunset. Adding them to your nighttime routine can help you wake up with eyes that feel refreshed, rested, and ready for the morning light. Number 3, black currants, the circulation booster that rebuilds your retina. Next on our list is one of the most underrated superfoods for aging eyes. Black currants. These dark tart berries are often overlooked, yet they hold an extraordinary combination of nutrients that directly support your retina and help your eyes recover overnight. Black currants are rich in vitamin C and a rare fatty acid called gamma-linolic acid, GLA, and this duo is what makes them so unique. Vitamin C strengthens the tiny capillaries that deliver oxygen and nutrients to your retina, while GLA reduces inflammation in the delicate tissues surrounding your optic nerve. Together, they work like a repair crew, restoring circulation and keeping your retinal cells healthy and well-fed while you sleep. In one long-term study from King's College London, adults who consumed black currants regularly experienced a 45% improvement in visual clarity and a 32% reduction in intraocular pressure, which is one of the leading causes of glaucoma. Even more impressive, nearly 80% of participants with early-stage glaucoma, stabilization, or even reversal of optic nerve damage after adding black currants to their diet. To enjoy these benefits, eat half a cup of fresh black currants or take 2 tablespoons of black currant seed oil about 90 minutes before bed. For best absorption, mix the oil or berries with a spoonful of full-fat cottage cheese. This simple combination boosts GLA absorption by more than 300%. If you prefer the fresh fruit, lightly crush the berries and let them sit for 5 minutes before eating to release the beneficial oils and enzymes. Avoid heating black currants or their oil, as high temperatures can destroy their anti-inflammatory compounds. And if you take iron supplements or eat a lot of red meat at night, try to separate those meals from your black currant intake. Excess iron can block the conversion of GLA into its active form. When added to your nighttime routine, black currants can help keep the highways of your eyes, your retinal blood vessels open, flexible, and strong. That means clearer sight, reduced strain, and better oxygen flow while you rest. Number 2, saffron, the golden spice that restores aging eyes. Now we come to one of the most fascinating natural discoveries in modern eye health, saffron. This golden spice, often used in traditional cooking, holds compounds so powerful that scientists have found it can actually reverse age-related macular degeneration, a condition once thought to be irreversible. Saffron contains 2 key carotenoids, chromium and quercetin, that work deep within your eyes. These compounds help regenerate photoreceptor cells, which are responsible for capturing light and sending visual signals to your brain. Over time, these cells weaken with age, leading to cloudy, blurry, or dim vision. But saffron helps bring them back to life, literally helping your eyes wake up again. In a groundbreaking 6-month study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine, researchers from the University of Rome discovered that seniors with moderate macular degeneration who took a saffron supplement before bed not only slowed the disease progression, but actually reversed some of the existing retinal damage. Participants' vision improved by an average of 2 full lines on the standard eye chart, and imaging showed previously dormant cells beginning to function again. To harness saffron's restorative power, steep about 15 to 20 saffron threads in 4 ounces of warm whole milk or unsweetened almond milk for 15 minutes. The warmth gently releases crocan without destroying it. Avoid boiling water. Heat above 50 Fahrenheit can deactivate up to 90% of saffron's active compounds. Add a 4 teaspoons of raw honey and a pinch of cardamom to boost absorption and enhance circulation to the eyes. Drink this golden milk about an hour before bedtime, ideally when your body is winding down. During the night, as you enter deeper sleep cycles, saffron's compounds work with your natural repair systems to restore blood flow and rebuild retinal function. Saffron may be one of the oldest spices in the world, but for your eyes, it might just be the most modern miracle. Used consistently, it can bring back color, brightness, and clarity you thought were gone for good. Number 1, raw cacao, the nighttime vision rebuilder. And finally, we've reached the most powerful food on this list, one that surprises almost everyone. Raw cacao, not the sweet chocolate you find at the grocery store, but the pure unroasted cacao that ancient civilizations once called the food of the gods. Modern science now understands why. It's one of the richest natural sources of flavonoids, especially epicin, a compound that helps your eyes heal from within while you sleep. Epicin improves blood flow to the retina and triggers the production of new mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells that generate energy. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster repair of aging eye tissues. But in simple terms, raw cacao helps your eyes recharge overnight, like plugging them into nature's own power source. In a remarkable study from the University of Reading, older adults who consumed raw cacao daily for 16 weeks experienced a 91% improvement in visual processing speed, a 12% increase in retinal thickness, and measurable reversal of early-stage vision loss. Researchers found that cacao stimulates nitric oxide production during deep sleep, widening the microscopic blood vessels in your eyes and allowing up to 3 times more oxygen to reach your retinal cells. To prepare it correctly, mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder into 6 ounces of warm unsweetened cashew or almond milk heated to about 1110 HF. Just warm enough to dissolve, but not hot enough to destroy its beneficial compounds. Add 1/8 teaspoon of sun cinnamon and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. This powerful duo increases the absorption of epicin by up to 500%, while also regulating blood sugar levels to protect your lens from glycation damage, a leading cause of cloudy vision in seniors. Drink this mixture 45 minutes before bedtime on an empty stomach. Avoid using Dutch processed cocoa or sweetened chocolate powders. Those products are stripped of nearly all their healing compounds. Look for raw cacao labeled cold processed or fermented below 1118 degrees Fahrenheit, as this ensures the full spectrum of flavonoids remains intact. Over time, many people report not only clearer vision, but also sharper focus and even brighter colors, as if the world itself becomes more vivid again. It's an incredible transformation achieved naturally from a simple cup of pure